channel. Today I'm gonna do review about the double serum from Clarins. This one I got for first time, I never used before. I got this in Dublin airport, which is the shopping area in duty free, and I got very good deal for this. This one was originally priced €130 and I paid 117, so which is a good deal for 2 bottles, because one bottle costs around €100, so I got very good deal. I'm very happy, and many people say it and talking about this product is very good. This one is double serum duo complete age control concentrate, so this is travel exclusive on the 2 bottles, so I'm very impressed. This one the only anti-age serum with 2 phase hydric water soluble and lipidic formula combination plant extracts, the stimulation all the skin vital functions, and for the first time decoded is in the many languages they are. So the packaging is very beautiful, I really like. Okay, I'm gonna open, you guys. Just open like this. So it's come with 2 bottles, okay, which is they look like this in the white package. So I'm gonna open you one for you guys. So I'm gonna show you how it look. So this one, it's a serum which comes with the pump, so which is really good, and I never tried before, so we'll see how it's gonna work. So I'm gonna do a review after about this product, and so this one, it's really nice. I love packaging, perfect. And this is, here is the second bottle. There is the second bottle as well. So that's two bottles, so it's really good. Package is really nice. This is in the plastic bottle, and I'm gonna open for you guys. Yeah, that's in the pump. There's the pump here, and putting on the face. So I'm really impressed. So I'm gonna tell you the next video how this product working for. Okay, this is the Clarins serum from, and the double serum from Clarins. Okay, that's first one. Next I have, guys, for you, I'm gonna show you what I purchased. It's from Maison Margiela. This is the Replica. They have so many perfumes, but I didn't know to make decision because they have so many. So I got small testing perfumes, so which is look like this. There is a 10 of them. There is 10 in the spray version. There is Flower Market, Jazz Club, Beach Walk, Under the Lemon Trees, Lazy Sunday Morning, okay, and Music Festival, Selling Day. Okay, I'm gonna open, guys, for you. Okay, you're just opening like this, right? Like that. And I'm gonna take it out. Oh, it's very hard to take it out. Oh, I can't open it, guys, and I really love it. It's great, really nice. Okay, this is Replica. It's a reproduction of familiar scents and moments of various location periods. So this is the Maison Margiela from Paris, and I'm very impressed about the and happy to try the sprays, and I'm gonna tell you on the next video which one will be my favorite. Okay, this one. Next, guys, I got something from Gucci and from Louis Vuitton as well. Look at the packaging, it's so shiny. I love the new Louis Vuitton 3D paper bag. It's very colorful. I really like this. This is the Christmas version, so I'm really happy I got it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So this is the package. Okay, I have a nice beautiful white ribbon. It says Louis Vuitton. Don't know, you're gonna see it. And I'm gonna open, you guys. Just open like this. It's a beautiful package. Okay, I'm gonna open you like this, guys. Right, and oh, sorry, I'm gonna open like that. Yeah, you open like this, and there is my purchase. Okay, I'm gonna close it for you. Okay, I got, it's come in the dust bag. I love Louis Vuitton dust bag. They are so soft. I really love them. Okay, I'm gonna open, and ta-da! This is my new cosmetic pouch from Louis Vuitton. I really like this. This is the in monogram version. This is the GM size. I really love, and it's come with the gold zip hardware. So you're gonna open like this, and inside is the really light full leather. I really like this, and they have a one pocket on the side and one small on the front, and really tiny just on the corner here, and a lot of space. So I'm gonna put so much makeup. That will be great for the travel. I'm very exciting. So this is my new purchase, guys. I really like this, and the leather is soft, and this one was made in made in France. I really like Louis Vuitton. It says made in France. Okay, this one. This is my new cosmetic bag. I really like this, gorgeous. Okay, next one I have from Gucci. I really love this paper shiny bag. It's beautiful. It's very summery. I like it, but they doing just for the Christmas time. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got let's come with the white and black package, so I really like. So I'm gonna open for you guys. There is a sticker, it says Gucci, right? I'm gonna open like this. Okay, and yeah, and it's come with the dust bag, nice beautiful dust bag. Okay, and I open for you guys, and I got my new Gucci belt, black belt. They have 5 holes, so you can put on the size which one you need. So, and the small GG and the gold blush hardware, so it's really nice. This is the smallest one. They have 2 different one with the pearls, but I choose this one. I really love this, so beautiful, and I really like this. So this is my belt, it's gorgeous. This is the 80 centimeters belt, and it's great with the pencil dresses or with the jeans. So I'm gonna wear it for winter or for the summer. Okay, that's my new belt from Gucci. That's in a very, it's thin one, so I really like that. Really tiny and so elegant. Yeah, okay, this one, I'm very happy about this. And guys, this is everything what I got. Hope you enjoying my video.